What's up mga Seamaster? Part 3. Okay, I'm up for another mission. Try natin na naman yung mga pusit. It's been pretty slow lately, so what I've heard. So I don't know, sana basta basta may huli, okay na. No, namimiss ko na yung mga fresh pusit ay. So tara, let's go squidding. Sige. Okay mga lodi, kain dinner muna. I just got out of work, so I'm getting hungry. So tara, dinner muna guys. Dito ako sa Pizza Hut, San Antonio Pizza. O sige, mamaya no, kain muna. Yan lodi, ito pina-order ko. Grabe, ang laki. Ang laki. Let's see. Yan guys, first spot. Essential lang, madilim. Let's go, try natin. I'm gonna walk over there. Try to do some dock fishing. Sana may pusit dito. It's nice out though. Water is calm. Let's see. It's really dark out here. Madilim. Daming mga paing oh. Mga dilis. Ito ang gusto ng mga pusit eh. I'm here at my first spot, so I'm just trying whatever spot I know. But there's a lot of bait though. It's pretty cool, huh? See that? Those are bait. Daming paing. Hopefully there's squid. Alright, I'm gonna keep trying guys. Here you go guys. Finally caught one. Been jigging for like 30 minutes. Good size squid. Hopefully there's more. Alright, stand by. Get this squid off. It's a good size, pretty big. It's a tuber. Yeah. Nice. Alright, got one. Alrighty. Okay guys, second drop. I've been jigging for like 30 minutes and I just caught that one. Finally. It's about to give up already. But if there's one, there should be more, right? I'll just keep trying and trying. Never know. Just never know, right? There's one, there's gotta be more. Come on, Squiddy. Where are ya? I'm gonna jig a couple more minutes here. I'm gonna go try my other spot. Well, the season is just starting, so excuse me. At the other spot, there's tons of herring. They have the porgies, a lot of porgies. Yeah, I think I feel that they're gonna come in late. And hopefully when all the fish leaves, like the herring and scup, hopefully the squid come in. Hopefully. Pala yung mga paing, yung mga dilis doon sa baba. Grabe, parang sarap ito ah. Different klase yung dilis no? Kita nyo ba? Oh. Dami oh. Doon lahat sila. Alright, there's nothing on this spot. Caught only one. Hold on. Go this side. Oh shit. Oh no. There you go. Just caught one. This is it on this spot. May 6, 2024. That's it. I'm gonna go try another spot. Alright guys. So I don't know about my new spot. Oh my god, there's freaking a lot of stripers in right now. A bunch of squid came on top and these freaking stripers just trying to munch on them. And they're pretty good size. May 6 and they're already in. That is crazy. I'm afraid they might hit my jig over here. Alright, anyway, let me go try. I wish I got my striper rod, but I don't have it with me. So I'm all lightweight rod right now. Man, yeah, there's a lot of stripers in right now. It's crazy. They're pretty good size too. Good size. Alright, just pulled one up. Little guy. Alright, let's try. Let's drop one more. Man, I don't know about catching squid tonight. These damn stripers are in. I just pulled in one. I'm surprised they're in early. Oh my god. I don't know about squid. You're scared of these stripers, you know? They're not gonna come near me. Come on my light. These stripers are attracted to my light. They're just swimming around my light. It's crazy. I don't know if you can see those two right there. 1, 2. Right there. Those are stripers. See that? Stripers. Look at that. They're swimming on my light right there. Look around that side. You see like a shadow right there. See that shadow? See that shadow right there? Right there. They're in. Oh my goodness. Well, I thought it was going to be a successful night for squid, but I don't know. My buddy told me earlier too that it's kind of slow downtown. By other spot by Goat Island, and they got the spot, forgot what it's called, but yeah, the stripers are in now. Oh my god, I wish I had my big rod. I would. Look at it, there's two more down over there. I can see a shadow swimming on that shadow right there. Pretty good size. They look like 33 inches, 32, something like that. Right there. It's hard to see, but yeah, they're swimming around my light. I'm gonna do a couple more casts and probably that's it. I'm gonna call it a night. I don't know about tonight. Fish are in, the herring are in, the porgies, scup are in, now stripers. I don't know. It's crazy. They're in early. They are in early. Oh well. See that? See that fish right there? Right there, you see the shadow. See that? That striper right there. Those two. They're swimming around my light. See that? Right there. Alright, I'm going to do a couple more jigs and see what happened. If not, I call it a night. Peace, bro.